Karl Marx, the revolutionary thinker who shaped the course of history. Karl Marx, a towering figure in the realms of philosophy, economics, and political theory, is perhaps best known as the father of communism and socialism. His ideas and writings have profoundly influenced the course of modern history, inspiring revolutions, shaping political movements, and sparking intellectual debates that continue to resonate to this day. Early life and education. Karl Marx was born on May 5, 1818, in Trier, a town in the Kingdom of Prussia, present-day Germany. He came from a middle-class Jewish family, and his father, Heinrich Marx, was a lawyer. Despite growing up in a relatively comfortable environment, Marx was deeply affected by the social and economic injustices of the time, witnessing the poverty and exploitation of the working class. Marx pursued his education at the University of Bonn and later at the University of Berlin, where he studied law, philosophy, and history. It was during his time at university that he became involved in radical politics and intellectual debates, developing a keen interest in the ideas of philosophers like Hegel and Feuerbach. Formation of Marxist theory. Influenced by the writings of Hegel and Feuerbach, as well as by the social and economic conditions of industrial capitalism, Marx began to formulate his own theories about society, history, and economics. He collaborated closely with Friedrich Engels, a fellow intellectual and lifelong friend, with whom he co-authored several seminal works, including The Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital. Marx's theories were rooted in the notion of historical materialism, which posited that the development of human society is driven by the conflicts and contradictions arising from the material conditions of production. He argued that capitalism, with its inherent contradictions between labor and capital, would inevitably lead to its own downfall, paving the way for a socialist revolution and the establishment of a classless society. Key concepts and contributions. Central to Marx's theory of capitalism is the concept of surplus value, which he argued is extracted from the labor of workers by capitalists in the form of profits. Marx also introduced the idea of alienation, which refers to the estrangement of workers from the products of their labor, from the production process itself, and from their own humanity under capitalist exploitation. In The Communist Manifesto, Marx and Engels outlined their vision of a revolutionary struggle between the proletariat, the working class, and the bourgeoisie, the capitalist class, culminating in the overthrow of the capitalist system and the establishment of a communist society based on the principles of collective ownership of the means of production and the abolition of private property. Legacy and impact. Karl Marx's ideas have had a profound impact on the course of history, shaping political movements, inspiring revolutions, and influencing the development of economic and social thought. His writings have been interpreted and applied in diverse ways, giving rise to various strains of Marxism and socialist thought around the world. Marx's critique of capitalism continues to resonate in contemporary debates about inequality, exploitation, and the role of the state in regulating the economy. While his predictions about the imminent collapse of capitalism have not materialized as he envisioned, his analysis of the systemic contradictions inherent in capitalist society remains relevant in understanding the dynamics of modern capitalism. Conclusion. Karl Marx's intellectual legacy is complex and multifaceted, encompassing a wide range of ideas and theories that continue to shape our understanding of society, politics, and economics. While his vision of a communist society may remain elusive, his critiques of capitalism and advocacy for social justice have left an indelible mark on the course of human history, inspiring generations of activists, intellectuals, and political leaders to strive for a more equitable and just world.